Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video I would like to show different weather events in different places. First one is Typhoon Rai in Philippines. Cebu city was heavily damaged by Typhoon Rai in Philippines, and also Mindanao island is also affected by these typhoon. Mindanao is the second largest island in the Philippines. Due to this typhoon, flash floods are washed away some houses in Mindanao island. And second one is heavy rains in Iraq, Kurdistan. Heavy flooding at Erbil. So far 8 died. Iraq Kurdistan is the capital and most population city in the Kurdistan region of Iraq. At least 8 people have died and several have been injured after torrential rains caused several flooding in Erbil, Iraq. The capital of the semi-autonomous Kurdish region of northern Iraq.
بس خدمي مو الشارع بس خدمي.
Ficou os dois.
And finally, last one is heavy rains in Nova Iguazu in Brazil. Due to heavy rains causes flooding and damage the property in Nova Iguazu in Brazil. Due to these flash floods.
Ó, vai boiar aqui, ó, vai dar ruim de novo, ó. Ó, tentar passar, ó.
Aí. Tudo alagado aqui, ó. Ó.
Sorry, I forgot. Last one is flooding in Congo after heavy rains. Due to these heavy rains, street roads are looking like a rivers in Congo. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.